Okay, guys, sorry for the delay. We're here busting 4 boxes of Top Stadium Club Baseball. 4 box break, and this is break number 1. Good luck. Yeah, really. Since these are all over the place, I'm just going to go 1 pack at a time because they're all, like I said, upside down, backwards, forwards. We have a goal, Drew Pomeranz for the Red Sox. Make sure I got this right. I think that's a short print variation. Oh no, I don't know. I don't know what the short prints are. Can't see right now. Oh, this ends in 23, so it's not. Black parallel. Luis Perdomo for the Padres. So I'm going good. You guys can hear me, no problems? Wow, members only. Julio Teheran for the Braves. Members only, parallel. You in there, Brad? Awesome. Scoreless streak. Sonny Gray for the Athletics. You got to log in. You don't have to, but register. This way you can come up with your name and I don't know who you are. I can't remember anonymous is. What is that? Really? One same box? First day issue, Mitch Moreland for the Red Sox. That's like case hits, I think. Power Zone, Albert Pujols for the Angels. You might guys hear me better. I switched microphones. Microphone on the camera on the PC, not on this thing. Gold, Teoscar Hernandez for the Astros. For the Yankees, we got an autograph of Tyler Austin. Chrome, Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. Contact sheet, Daniel Murphy for the Nationals. Contact sheet, Josh Donaldson for the Blue Jays. Steven Strasburg gold for the Nationals. Power Zone, Giancarlo Stanton for the Marlins. Reggie Jackson gold for the Athletics. Lou Gehrig gold for the Yankees. And Ronaldo Lopez autograph for the White Sox. Black parallel, Francisco Lindor for the Indians. Beam Team, Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. Scoreless streak, Marcus Stroman for the Blue Jays. Yeah, for the Yankees, we put autograph Austin Tyler, or Tyler Austin. Benintendi rookie. Okay, box number 2. And I always put my hits on Facebook. If you want to search Rockledge Sports Cards, or I gotta look what it up is. I forgot the name of it already. Let me get it for you. There's the link to my website or Facebook. You don't even have to be a member of Facebook. You can still see the pictures, all the cards, all the hits of every break I do. I list all the inserts. Jorge Alfaro for the Phillies, gold. I'm doing my best. Power Zone, Josh Donaldson for the Blue Jays. Kendry Morales Chrome for the Blue Jays. Ty Black autograph for the Giants. Oops. Justin Verlander gold for the Tigers. Contact sheet, Jose Bautista for the Blue Jays. Yes, you will get all the Cubs autographs, inserts, base cards. Gary Sanchez gold for the Yankees. Autograph. Gavin Cecchini for the Mets. Yep, I pulled a Mike Trout autograph from my archives. Gold autograph 101. One for $10. Carlos Correa, black for the Astros. Back on archive maybe a month ago or so. Beam Team, Gary Sanchez for the Yankees. And if you don't know, I combine breaks overnight over multiple nights at $1 extra a team, up to a certain point. If I can ship it cheap and you bought a lot of teams, I won't add shipping to it. Maybe just $1 for the night for the PayPal fees. But scoreless streak. Jacob deGrom for the Mets. Orlando Arcia, gold for the Brewers. Chrome, Aaron Nola for the Phillies. Brandon Crawford, black parallel for the Giants. Jeff Bagwell, gold for the Astros. I think a way around the ads is open up another browser and then just keep it on mute. And when that goes to an ad, switch over to the other one. Scoreless streak. Yu Darvish for the Rangers. Swanson rookie. Orange. Hisashi Uekuma for the Mariners. Orange parallel. Aaron Judge rookie. Power Zone, Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. Harmon Killebrew, gold for the Twins. Contact sheet, Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. All right, that is box number 2. Addison Russell contact sheet for the Cubs. Got Ozzie Smith chrome for the Cardinals. Masahiro Tanaka gold for the Yankees. You guys still with me? Power Zone, Nolan Arenado for the Rockies. Tyler McQuinn autograph for the Indians. I don't know if that's how you say his name, but that's how I say it. Edwin Encarnacion, gold for the Indians. Derek Jeter. Billy Wagner, black parallel for the Astros. Johnny Bench, gold for the Reds. Scoreless streak, Masahiro Tanaka for the Yankees. Another Aaron Judge rookie. Jose De Leon, gold for the Rays. Redemption card, congratulations. You're due to receive base card autograph of Mr. Redemption number 1 from Top Stadium Club Baseball. Huh. Gotta send that in. Mr. Redemption number 1. That's my card then, I guess. Frank Thomas, black parallel for the White Sox. Beam Team, Andrew Benintendi for the Red Sox. It's no team right now, so nobody gets it. No, I don't think they come out with mystery redemptions yet. I think that comes out later. They tell you what it is. Scoreless streak, Aroldis Chapman for the Yankees. Guess I can hold on to it and see what team it is, and then send it to that person, whoever team it is, when it's announced. So I gotta hold on to it for a while. Matt Olson, orange for the Athletics. Power Zone, Robinson Cano for the Mariners. Gold, Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. Contact sheet, Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Okay, one more box. Box number 4. Well, last year, like I said, a few years ago, I had to wait. I didn't enter it, and then, like I said, it'll come out. It came out a few months later that the mystery redemption was Chris Bryant autograph. So, yeah, you can log it in right now, but it won't tell you who it is until later. It'll just say pending. Black Parallel, Alex Gordon for the Royals. Beam Team, Bryce Harper for the Nationals. Jake Arrieta, Scoreless Streak for the Cubs. Tim Anderson, gold for the White Sox. We got a gold Beam Team, Bryce Harper for the Nationals. These are not numbered. Chris Davis, gold for the Orioles. And our reoccurring star from every single product ever made, Henry Owens autograph for the Red Sox. He makes appearances in every product. Guest appearance, Henry Owens. Power Zone, Bo Jackson for the Royals. A.J. Pollock, gold for the Diamondbacks. Swanson, rookie. For you, Brad. Contact sheet, Jose Altuve for the Astros. Manuel Margot, gold for the Padres. Power Zone, Ryan Braun for the Brewers. Scoreless streak, black parallel number 76 of 99. Carlos Martinez for the Cardinals. Jake Thompson gold for the Phillies. Oh. Yeah, AJ Reed autograph for the Astros. Contact sheet, Ichiro for the Marlins. Tanner Rourke, gold for the Nationals. Tim Anderson chrome for the White Sox. Aaron Sanchez, black parallel for the Blue Jays. Eddie Rosario, gold for the Twins. And last pack. Like I said, we'll be doing this the next 3 nights. Scoreless streak, Noah Syndergaard for the Mets. And there it is. Break number 1, Topps Stadium Club 4-box break.